Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all really well. If you hadn't already guessed, today is a very exciting day. We are getting our brand new fireplace installed. Amongst all these toys, there is a fireplace, and this one here is going and the new one is arriving today. We've got contractors coming really early this morning to install it for us, and we're just so excited because it's only like 10 days till Christmas now, so it's going to be lovely to have that in place. We've got currently an electric fireplace, and this is going to be changed for a more traditional fireplace, but still electric, just with a stove. It's going to be a fireplace suite, and it is from Elgin and Hall. So stay tuned and I will share the journey with you throughout the day. So with everything now out of the way, you can see our old fireplace a little bit clearer. This fireplace is actually going to be going to my mum, and she's really excited to finally have a fireplace in her living room. So the first job of the day for the contractors was to take the mantle off and then work out how they were going to get the rest of the stone off. As you can see, it was quite an easy job to get the mantle off, and the stone was just barely stuck on. New build life. Now they've removed the back piece of stone, and again you can see it wasn't very well secured, but you can also see all of the wires and stuff that we have behind. So one of the plugs there is for the TV, which is now above the fireplace, and the other plug will be for powering the new stove that's going in. Hello everyone. Gosh, I am so sorry. I owe you a really big apology. I filmed that last piece at Christmas, if you couldn't tell, and yeah, it's now the end of January. I just have my hands full, so I'm doing the best I can, but I have for you a fireplace reveal to share. It was time to say goodbye to the old one, and we now have a new one, and I have also finished kind of styling and decorating this room, so I'm really excited to share it with you. So I'm going to spin you around and show you it now. Before I do, I just want to apologise for any background noise that you might hear. It's coming from this little terror, isn't it, hey? I've trapped her in her jumperoo just while I film this for you, so yeah, she's going to entertain us with some nice jingly music in the background. And here we have it. Here is the new fireplace. Isn't it a beauty? Oh my, I cannot even begin to tell you the difference this fireplace has made to our room. It was lovely in here at Christmas, having this in, and just not even for warmth, really just for aesthetics. It's absolutely stunning. So I didn't tell you what we were getting, but this is the Vitalia marble fireplace from Elgin and Hall. I'll link everything in the description for you. We went for the slightly lower one so that we could have the TV a little bit lower, and it's also slightly wider, which then didn't cause any problems when it came to the carpet, because the carpet had already been installed, and I was really worried that, you know, we might need all new carpets, but fortunately they did this size. So we went for this. And then just to mix things up, I really wanted a stove, and finding a stove that was electric but had, you know, a really real flame effect was quite a challenge. And Elgin and Hall had this one. This is the Beacon stove, and this is the large version. I think you'll agree with me, it's really pretty. So this is a cast iron finish. And like I said, it is electric and it does get warm. We haven't actually turned it on because our house is so hot anyway. But you can see it has these like real logs in it as well, which are beautiful. And yeah, it just looks so nice. So that just closes like that. We also have these really snazzy underlights, which are sensitive to motion, and they have given this a really nice finish as well. So all the sizes and dimensions are on the website, which obviously I will link. But yeah, doesn't it look fab? Let me know in the comments what you think, but I absolutely love it. And everyone who comes around comments on it, and really it just has changed this room so much. It's sort of allowed us to be able to kind of make our own stamp on this space. in fact, the whole room has just really come together and I'm really in love. So I'm just blowing my own horn here, but I just really love this room. But yeah, the fireplace is the main focal feature, and it's made all the difference. So I hope you love it as much as we do. So I will now sign off this video. I hope you had a nice time looking at our new fireplace. If you have any questions, then please just pop me a message on Instagram or write something in the comments below, and I will be more than happy to help. And yeah, we are going to say goodbye, and I will just finish with some nice shots of our living room and the new fireplace. See you soon.